What if I told you the biggest thing holding you back on keto isn't carbs, calories, or even cravings? It's the way you're thinking about the lifestyle. Because most people walk into keto focused on everything they're losing: no bread, no pasta, no sugar. And without even realizing it, they create this feeling of restriction before they've even gotten started. And when something feels restrictive, it becomes harder to stick with. But here's the shift that can change everything. Keto isn't about limitation, it's about abundance. And once you start seeing it that way, the entire experience becomes easier, more sustainable, and honestly, a lot more enjoyable. Let me share 3 simple mindset shifts that can help you make that transition starting today. First, stop focusing on what you can't have and start focusing on what you get to eat. Because when you really look at it, keto opens the door to some of the most satisfying, nutrient-dense foods out there. We're talking eggs, steak, salmon, chicken, bacon, cheese, avocado. Foods that actually keep you full and energized. And then when you want something creative, you've got options like chaffles, lettuce-wrapped burgers, low-carb desserts. There's a lot more variety here than most people realize at first. So instead of saying, I can't have that, try shifting it to, I've got better options that actually support my goals. That one small change in language starts to rewire how you see this lifestyle. Second, recognize that keto isn't just changing your food, it's expanding your opportunities. When you stay consistent, you start to notice things that go way beyond the scale. Your energy becomes more stable. Your focus improves. Those constant cravings start to quiet down. And maybe most importantly, you begin to feel more in control around food. That's not restriction, that's freedom. And when you connect keto to those benefits, instead of just weight loss, it gives you a much stronger reason to stay consistent. Because now, you're not just on a diet, you're building a better way of living. And third, train your brain to look for wins instead of what's missing. This one is huge. Your brain naturally wants to notice what you don't have. That's just how we're wired. But you can shift that by intentionally focusing on what's going right. Every time you make a better choice, every time you pass on something that doesn't align with your goals, every time you prepare a meal that actually fuels your body, that's a win. And those wins add up fast. You can even make it a habit to pause at the end of the day and ask yourself, what did I do well today? That simple question builds momentum, and momentum is what keeps you going long term. So, when you put these 3 pieces together, focusing on what you get to eat, recognizing the opportunities keto creates, and training your brain to see progress, something powerful happens. Keto stops feeling like something you're trying to survive and starts feeling like something that's actually working for you. And that's where consistency becomes natural. So here's what I want you to do. The next time you catch yourself thinking about what you can't have, pause and ask yourself, what are my better options right now? That one question can completely shift your mindset in the moment. And if you're looking for more simple strategies like this to make keto easier, more sustainable, and actually enjoyable, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join me here on the channel. I've got a lot more tips, mindset shifts, and practical keto hacks coming your way, and I'd love to help you stay on track and keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next video.